Everyone, today we're going to make Interlock program in Schneider Twido application. There we are now. Click new project in here. Interlock program using Schneider program. Of course, nothing. Then we create. Then let's go to describe actually. Let's describe the modules. We use this one. Split the compact in there. We go to program. Then hit the program here, and then insert a section. You can actually add this normally open, and then for the output is this one, and then we add the new one there again, and for the output and here, and then here don't forget we add this one normally close, and the second rung too. We name this one input O, and this should be this one too here maybe. Okay. Then we cross this member. The normally close is connected to this one output from the second rung, and then the second normally close is connect to the output of the first rung here. So because this one is connected to this one, we add this one, and this one is the same address with the first rung output. And then I think this is it. This is the Interlock program that I just made it. It's quite easy, it's not that hard. And let's start to running the simulation. Here you can see we have two inputs in here. This is the first input, this is the second input. The first input is input 0.0, this in here, and 0.2. We use 0 and 2 here connect to the input controller in here. Locking program, you know that it will lock the first input that we have pressed in there. So when I press this one, the first input is on the first address. It is on 0.0. When I click on it, the output will turn on. And then when I click the second input, which is 0.2, there is no output in the second rung. It is still maintaining on the first input in here. And then the vice versa. When we click the second input as the first input and we hit the 0.0 address from the first rung as the second input, it will remain this condition. This is just the vice versa, because the first input in here is 0.2, so the 0.0 become not having an output because the first state that we have pressed here is 0.2. This is called interlocking. So we locked it, and here the vice versa, the second one, the first will not turn on like that. I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Let's close this one.